First, let's look at what TMB stands for. T stands for thousands, M stands for millions, and B stands for billions. The next step is to write the 10 digits starting with 1 as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. We then place the commas starting at 0 and then in between every third digit as shown. The fourth step is to add in the hundreds place value. The H goes under the 8, 5, and number 2. Next, we add in the TMB place values, remembering that T stands for thousands, M stands for millions, and B stands for billions. The letter T goes on top of the number 7, then the letter M goes on top of the number 4, and the letter B goes on top of the number 1. In the next part, we will be adding in links, and these links will help us read numbers together. We add in the links as follows: 9 and 0 we join together, 6 and 7 we join together, and 3 and 4 we join together like this. These numbers we read together. The last thing we need to do is add in the word and we add it in just before each link as shown. Before I show you how to use the TMB method to reach large numbers, let's review what we've done so far. First, we wrote down the 10 digits started with 1 and ending in 0. Then, we added in the hundreds place values, followed by the TMB place values for the thousands, millions, and billions. Next, we added in linkers to join digits together, and finally, we added the word and in just before each link. Okay, let's see how we can use the TMB method to read numbers up to 1 million. We read it as follows. Don't forget to join the numbers together with the linkers. Starting with the digit 1, we read it like this: 1,234,567,890. Let's try reading the number together. Are you ready? Let's go. 1,234,567,890. You can use this method to read any 10-digit number. I've written 10 digits as follows: 7, 4, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 2, 3, and 5. Can you read this number without using the TMB method? If you can't, don't worry. Let's see how to read the number using the TMB method. First, we need to separate the numbers using commas. So starting from the end, let's put a comma after every 3 digits. Next, we need to add in the hundreds place values. Do you remember where we put the hundreds place value? That's right, you should have something like this. Now let's add in the TMB place values. Can you remember where to put those? That's right, you should have something like this. Finally, let's add in our linkers and the word and. Do you remember where to write those? Your final work should look something like this. See if you can read the 10 digits all by yourself now. Well done, that was a great effort. Now, let's read the number together. Are you ready? Here we go. 7,434,679,235. Great job, everyone. Thank you everyone for watching and listening, and I hope you have found this video helpful in some way. See you again next time. Goodbye.